Hi everyone, today we are going to show a short skit about the environment entitled Save the Nature for Our Future. You are going to witness the different situations that show what are living things experiences in a destroyed environment.
Oh my god, I don't know what to do with our wood. If there's no water, how do we live on this earth?
Everyone should have awareness in the global issues.
Read the greenhouse effect in the global warming.
They are all because of human activities and to include overall climate change is drastically taking up our environment.
We are all depending on the resources of Mother Nature for our daily needs.
This has led to uncontrolled depletion, and even the government now leans on many of these resources.
It is urgent in the 21st century that we all become vigilant and responsible citizens for the effort in conserving our Earth's natural resources.
As part of this play, let's celebrate, give thanks and protect the gift of Mother Nature has for us.